What's going on? What is good? I'm green everywhere. I'm fucking green everywhere. I only traded one account. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Marcine, Slick Rick, The Ruler, Clinvale, Tony Gold, MCC, Trading on Tilt. What up? What up? What up? What up? Logan, Benny, Day Trader Cut, Raphael. I think I got Tony Gold. What up? What up, Jay? NJ, Trending World, Building Impossible Dreams, Matthew Van Zandt, Eddie, Jack Boom. Yeah. It's got a lot. I literally did not trade it all today until like this morning. And I barely was able to trade this morning because I had to fucking drive to the house. So I lost over an hour doing that because I had to talk to the contractor working on the fucking house. He had to show me some shit. You know? You heard? Can't wait for that to be over with. Might as well log into my bulenox account, even though I'm still waiting on my payout, bruh. Still waiting on this payout. Obviously, the reason I'm waiting for it is because they don't pay until Wednesday morning, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. So I'm just waiting on them to take the money out. I'm not touching the accounts until then. You know? You heard? All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, shit. What account is that? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So who else is here? Cajun, Jay Storch, Sean. Take profit traders slow to pay out. What do they make? How, like, what is slow? Are they a week behind or are they like a day behind? Jay Jackson. Whoo! Vinny Lee. I think it has to do with Illuminati. I think no skills. What's good? Matt O'Rourke, what up? I think it has to do with that dude Lanto who keeps taking these massive payouts. Even though it's in a live environment, they still have to withdraw that money from the live account. So maybe it's like a cash flow issue. McLovin, Pine Tree. 3 days. Well, if you requested on Friday, you wouldn't have gotten the money till today anyway. Or like late yesterday. Yeah, but he keeps taking payouts. He keeps taking payouts. What up, Alfred? Yeah. At least they didn't accept payments in fucking Tron coin. You requested Thursday? I don't know. I got money. I got money that I requested Thursday. Not just different. It's different, but it's still based on the wallet. Anyway, let's see. Look, like I said, I literally haven't traded shit. There's my Apex accounts. I got the one funded account. I got 5 new evals. That $40 lifetime activation fee deal ends tomorrow, allegedly. 70% off, all that shit. Take Profit Trader. I had 2 accounts come through on a rebuild, these 25Ks. Kind of annoyed about that, but whatever. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. Didn't touch those. Did not touch my live account from Trade Day. I was waiting for them to get back to me because I requested a payout on Friday, and I don't know if they got it. So I emailed them again, say, hey, I'm just curious, like what I hit up support and asked them how to do it. Like, how am I supposed to request a payout if I can't do it from the dashboard? They're like, you got to email them. So I did that. And then I reached out because I never heard back from them. And I said, hey, I'm just curious, like what the protocol is to request payouts on this live account now. And they said, yeah, you got to email the email. Oh, I was like, all right, I did. I sent one on Friday and they must not have gotten it. So I resent it. And that payout request is being initiated. Here it is. Here it is. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, here's how I can do it this way. Let's do it this way. We've initiated the payout process. Please do not place any further trades until we confirm it's complete. So this was from Friday. So I mean, I haven't traded it. Today is today is mine and my wife's 18th wedding anniversary. And we went out last night to celebrate. So we were basically, gone for a while. And by the time I got home, I ended up not trading at all until this morning. So I didn't trade anything. You saw Apex. I didn't trade. I didn't trade my Take Profit Trader. I didn't trade Trade Day. I'm waiting on a payout, but now I'm going to get that payout. So I'm not touching that shit. And then here is my Fund the Futures account. If it ever logs in. For my safety. Tick Daddy, what up? Yeah, it was a good night. Uh-oh. Had an order down here in one of my accounts that I did trade. Here's all I have fucking 6 My Fund the Futures accounts because I had a Starter Plus rebuild come through. Didn't trade bulenox because I'm waiting on my payout. And then the only accounts I traded were my Lucids. This is it. This is all I traded so far in the limited time I had to trade. And I just had an order down here at this 786 from this high to this low, right? We'll see if it fucking plays out. Because I hit the daily loss limit on fucking Friday. I hit the daily loss limit on all 3 of these on Friday. So on this one, I was able to give myself some breathing room. 277. On these, I could have gotten so much more because I was in a trade that went up another 100-something ticks. I didn't need all of it, but I could have just held a little fucking longer and gotten some of it. And now I was up 150, and now I have a feeling I'm going to get fucked. Great. Wonderful. Fantastic. Wonderful. Fantastic. Let's see if this fucking holds. Hold on a second. You'll get a scalp. I mean, how many ticks did this bounce? Not much. I was up as much as 9 ticks. I just need breathing room because I hit the fucking daily loss limit. I guess $150 was enough breathing room, but hey, let's shoot myself in the foot. Let's shoot myself in the foot. Yeah. I was $300 away from payouts on these accounts on Friday. All I had to do was just not fucking touch it. Like, I could have just stopped. There's so many times, like I was talking about it on Friday. Oh, I'm fucked. Literally 7 fucking times I could have either locked in game. I could have held longer. There were like 7 or 8 opportunities where if I would have just held longer or I got filled on orders that I didn't get filled on, even if they were right on the fucking order, I would have fucking locked in my fucking payout and gotten another 1,500 times 2. And then what did I do instead? I hit the daily loss limit. And what happens is the daily loss limit scales as your account grows. So I lost over $1,900 because the account was up there, which fucking blows. So, like, I should have saw the writing on the wall. It's not happening. I'm already up $800 on the day or $700 on the day. Should have just stopped trading and then waited for today to push it today. How hard can it be? Now look what's happening. Look what's happening now. And I had a chance to get out here. I'm fucked. I should move this up. I'm fucked. There goes all my fucking gains. Oh yeah, there they go. Sweet. I mean, I had a chance to get $70 more here, and I didn't take it. By the way, you see the range on gold today? 1239. The range on gold today is 1,200 ticks. 1,200 tick range on gold today. Isn't that crazy? Looks like gold is back to fucking having massive days. Oh shit, Corey. Yo, nice, Corey. That's awesome. That's awesome. Did she play pass to smash? That's what we need to know. Honest take, what up? Yash, what's good? Oh, guys, did you know that Lucid has 25K accounts now? AE, what's good? Lucid has 25K accounts, I think, and they're doing 45% off the 25Ks for the new account launch with the best code ZERODAYJAY. If you've never had an account with them, you could get them for 50% off. Everything else is 30% off, but new users get an extra 5% off. Is this thing going to fucking pop for me or no? Now, yeah, my entry became fucking resistance. Nice job. I love it. I love to see that, Corey. Hey, Ron. Jay here. Det 5. Oscar. Yeah, gold is great. Maximus, what's good? Newts, what's good? Target DC breaker, what? Bro. Oh, man. Jet trading bodily fluids. Yeah. We had a 618, a 786 rejection. You know what I'm saying? And then there was a bounce. Oh, man. Great Dane. Nice job. Nice job. We went and ate at Lotus of Siam at Red Rock. I don't know, man. She wanted to have, we went there once before with like her mom and like a bunch of us, a bunch of family went there, and it was pretty good. She wanted to have it again, but I'm never going back there again. It was okay. If you like Thai food, it's not bad, but like, I don't know. I just know that if I got a steak or sushi, I would have enjoyed the dinner much more. Here we go. Now I'm going to lock in some gains here. I'm not letting this come back. I'm going to leave I'm going to leave it at just above break even. See how much more this has to go. $180, $190 is good. I should have just taken that. If this fucking comes back, I think it's going to come up around here. No fucking way. If I end up coming out of this at break even, I'm going to be fucking pissed. Are you fucking serious? Fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck back up there, you mother. You know what? I'm going to move it up a little bit more. I'm not fucking around. I need breathing room. I'm not trying. I can't get paid today, right? I just need to give myself some breathing room after fucking losing $1,900 and hitting the daily loss limit on Friday, being a fucking idiot, being a greedy pig. So there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, keep fucking going. Hope nobody faded me. Hope nobody faded me. I'm trailing tight now because that's almost $300. It's probably going to push higher, but I'm fine with this. Good. Now look, I'm good with that. The one thing I don't want to happen is it to come back down like another 15 ticks, and I'm like, you fucking piece of shit. So I'll take 280 in both accounts. All three of these hit the daily loss limit on Friday. These I still need to get like $2,500 more dollars. So $2,580 or some shit, something stupid. But this is a good. I'll take that. I got some more breathing room in this one. These have a good amount of drawdown, especially now. But this one was this was in bad shape. I actually almost blew this. I was down to $20 in drawdown earlier. Cyberpie, Carlos, what up? It's end of day. It's trailing, but it's end of day trailing. You got intraday trailing, end of day trailing. Let's look at it. Just look at it right here. This one. It's all of their shit is end of day. The only thing is you only get $1,000 of drawdown, which is, that's challenging. But it's $60 and then it's like $54. No, it's like 57 or something like that. You get an extra 5% as a new user. Just put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. Not this in-house bullshit here. Fuck this code. ZERODAYJAY's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. My link's in the description below. I actually didn't update the description about Lucid. They have these new 25K test accounts, and they're doing a special discount for these. They're 45% off. Everything else is 30% off. And then if you're a new user, like you've never had an account with them, you get an extra 5% on your first account with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Anyway, back to this. See, look, it went up more. I thought it would, and I'm okay with it. But it did go up another fucking, 17, 18 ticks. 16 ticks from where I got out. But whatever. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You can't get all of it. I do need to work on getting more of it, but I'm good with this. These accounts, I'm done with it. I'm done for the day with these accounts. The thing I like the most about that trade was I waited. I had that order in for like a good half hour, 45 minutes before it actually got filled. I drew out my little happy Fibonacci. I put my order at the 786. Yeah, did it overshoot it? Yeah, sure it did. But that doesn't mean shit. It held. Maybe I needed to draw. Maybe I needed to lower. No, that was okay. But I stuck to my fucking plan, my trading plan. Yo, what up, Desmond? JK, Rick. Exactly, Alfred. We can't be oink oinks. Greedy pigs get slaughtered, man. It's so fucking true. What's going on with the NQ? Maybe. I missed this. That was a good opportunity. Watch this. If I draw a happy Fibonacci, I bet that's like a 618 or a 707 bounce. This is probably a 786 rejection. Let me draw the fucking first one, though. So here to here. 618 bounce, right? And then this low to this high. Hey, look, a 786. Damn. When you see, like, when you draw as many of them as I've fucking drawn, you fucking know where it's at. That's what happens when it's just called putting in the time. Putting in the time. And obviously they're not foolproof, right? Nothing is. The market's going to do what the market does, but look at all these opportunities. 618 bounce here, 786 rejection here. This was a 618 bounce here. Watch. And then we pumped. How many fucking points? 643, almost 100 points from this one, from this bounce. Watch this. This was the first pullback since we dropped earlier in the morning. Watch this. 707 bounce, almost a 786. And we pumped, 85 points on the NQ? Wow, this shit's still going. 20 ticks. But what am I going to do? Cry about it? It pretty much came to the spot that I thought it was going to come to. Now the question is how much fucking higher is it going to go? We're almost at the 786. Interesting spot. It's at the 707. It's having trouble like getting further than that. But it might. Right? 1K times 2 funding ticks. What? Payouts? J Stores. Yeah, man. There's a fucking steakhouse in there called, what the fuck is it called? I don't even know. In Red Rock. This Red Rock casino is going to be like 10 minutes from my house, too. And like we stopped by the house to drop something off for the contractor. The fucking like the shower kit, you know, the handle and shower head kit and all that shit. And it took us, I don't even think it took us 10 minutes to get there to that casino. It's a nice casino too. And then we fucking were leaving and it was like, fuck, we got to drive all the way to fucking Henderson. Would have been a nice 10-minute ride back to the house, but we're not in there yet. We'll be in there soon. You can't, yo. Kenny, what's up, man? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Are you guys seeing this? Look, 707 rejection. This shit happens all fucking day. It does it in the NQ too, but look at this. Just look at it. How many ticks is that? That's a casual 40 tick drop. Happy little 40 tick drop. Damn, bro. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man. All right, let's see. Are we going to get the bounce here, which is actually the 786 from before? Watch this. Fibtarditis. These are the fucking... what am I? Is that 12? Oh, it's bouncing off the 707. 9. Interesting. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Look at that drop, though. How many ticks is that? 203. Almost 50 ticks. Oh, Granny, don't. Almost 50 fucking ticks. Oh, my God. I should have put my order there. 707. We rejected off the 707, and we bounced off the 707. Crazy. Yo, to answer your question about full porting Apex PAs, DM, bro. You can't full port. You can't full port Apex PAs when you first get them. You can't trade more than half of your max allowable contracts on Apex PAs. So, for example, on a 50K Apex funded account, the max full porting is 10 contracts. You can only do half of that. So maybe that's what you meant when you said you were going to full port, but that's 5. Don't do more than 5. And you got to keep in mind the 30% consistency rule. If you're going to full port, you got to scalp. You have a 30% consistency rule also. You got to do it the opposite way. Oh, I see what you're trying to do, though. You're just trying to play the game with the payout window. I get it, man. But you can't, I don't know. I wouldn't mess around like that, to be honest with you. I wouldn't do that shit. But that's up to you. It's your money. And if you're going to grab some accounts, use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Yeah, it doesn't matter the first. Well, it always matters. 30% consistency always matters. Always matters. So if you do 4,000, right, and then you're going to wait to the next payout period, you still have to grow that account to $13,333.33. It always matters with Apex. And it matters from payout to payout. It starts over. With bulenox, it matters from day one. Look at his bounce. I would have loved that. 55, 54. Yo, that would have been enough for me to fucking get the second half in. I fucking didn't. I'm a pussy. Kasalisk. No, the consistency rule matters too, man. They will call it, they will deny your payout request and say you may, it's a windfall trading. Lauren, you have to grow. That 30% consistency rule is always in play. You have to grow it. I mean, you could request anyway to clear out the other violations, but you have to grow. You have to, your best day cannot be more than 30% of your total profits. No, it matters all the time. And then when you get a payout, the next time through, your biggest day can't be more than 30% of the total profits you get during that pay period. What does this guy want? No, the consistency rule is always in play. Hit up Apex support and ask them. 30% consistency rule is important. The trailing drawdown stops when you get over the buffer. The intraday trailing stops when you get over the buffer. Yeah, MAE matters more than the consistency, but you still have to have less than 30% of your biggest day has to be 30% or less of your total profit. So it matters. They're all important rules. If you try to request a payout and your biggest day is more than 30% of your total profit, they will deny your payout, even if everything else is good. Canute, what up? NS. Yeah, to answer your question, once you get over the buffer, depending on whatever the buffer is, depending on your account, the type of account you have, the trailing goes static. It's static after that. Anything over the buffer, the trailing is static. Yeah, Lauren. Yeah, that's what we've been saying this whole time. Yeah, I know, Alfred. I don't even know, like, yeah. But either way, no matter what, DM, if you get $4,000 in a day, you have to grow the account to $13,334. No matter what. It doesn't matter what else happens. If you do that, you have a $4,000 day. If you have a $1,500 day, you have to grow the account to $5,000. None of the other shit matters if you do that. It doesn't matter. And then after you get a payout, if you get a payout, let's say you go to max payout land, you take the 2,000 out. We're talking about 50Ks, and then you have 2,100 to work with. Yes, to get a max payout, you got to just get another $2,000. But if you have a $700 day in the next payout cycle, you have to grow the account $2,333 total. That shit's always in play. I guess it's not coming down here to fill me. What's NQ doing? Oh my God, it just keeps going up. I hate, look at, it's up 568 points. We're up over 2% because we gapped up when the market reopened. I feel like I got to expand this fucking fib to the next high, which is way the fuck up here. Right there. Interesting. Fuck the I'm not trading this shit. Like, what do we do? Just keep going, just keep buying the dips, I guess. Is it dip buying season again? Fuck, man. I don't know what to do with gold. Am I really going to end up only trading these 3 accounts? That's fucking crazy. Bald Eagle, what up? Yeah, man, I'm not trying to argue with anybody, but I've been trading with Apex for fucking long enough to know how their rules work. And I've got denied. When they rolled out their new payout format, their new rules, their new payout format last November, a year ago, I got denied 8 times in a fucking row. I think I would know, what you need to do. Yeah, no FOMO. I got no FOMO. Yo, I mean, you want to get it with gambling? I get it, man. Every trade you take is a gamble anyway, but if you're passing the, why don't you do it? It seems like you got in reverse. You're gonna trade the evals to pass them, and then you're gonna do fucking. It's almost like you're playing pass or smash on the funded side and trading normally on the eval side. Why don't you flip that around, or just whatever you do to pass them? If you're not playing pass or smash and you're not doing any real degen shit, trade them the same way. Just wait for opportunities to take trades. Don't force anything. Tyler. That was just that. I got denied 10 times. Am I still logged into my Apex account? Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta Tyler. 8 times in a row. Not just 8 times. In a row. Most of the time it was because of the 30% drawdown rule. The other times it was because of consistency, but I wanted to request anyway to clear out the 30% drawdown violation. All right. Blacked out. Yo, what the fuck? Why does that do that? I'm telling you. Sorry, guys. Marcine, I rug pulled. Am I still here? Am I gone again? All right, I'm back. Yeah. So what I was saying was, Apex changed their rules on November 2nd or November 5th, whatever day it was. I got denied 8 times in a row. Most of them because of the 30% MAE rule, the drawdown rule. A couple of other times was because of the consistency rule, but I requested anyway on purpose, knowing that because I did violate the other rule. So I just wanted to clear the violation. And then I got denied 2 more times, and then I've gotten paid. I haven't been denied in how many fucking requests? So I think I would know a little something about what you need to do to get paid. I feel like I'm qualified to speak on the matter. This shit is, I mean, I don't know. This shit is untradeable to me. I hate the NQ. Maybe when it gets up here, I'll fucking take a trade. I don't know. What's gold doing? Look at gold. See now, this low, this high, almost at the 786. From this high, we're pretty much rejecting off of it now. Fuck. But man, if I would have fucking taken that 707 bounce, these would have been pushed over the other half. Yeah, bald eagle. Yup. iTrades. What up? Hey, chat. Hot shot. What's good? Sean. Well, there is action. We just keep fucking going up. We just keep going up on the NQ. It just keeps. Look at this shit. There's your action. We're getting better price action with fucking, at least, I like volatility. I like up and down, not straight up. Just ain't right. Mwah. Alfred, that's right. Breathe and relax. That's the secret. What the fuck are we doing here? All right. Let's fuck around and find out. I've been fucking trading these fucking accounts like shit once they're halfway up. So let's see. Did I miss my opportunity here? I think so. We'll see what happens. If it comes up here, it'll fill me here, and then we'll be fucking maxed out. 207. Wishful thinking. Crank, what up? What's up, leaders? Yeah, just on one. Hit that buy button and get some coffee. On what? NQ or gold? I do need some more coffee, bro. How'd you know? How'd you know I need more coffee? It's only on one account as of right now, from what I understand. The scale account. The scale account. There's no discount or anything. You got to add the Flex add-on, guys, okay? The Flex add-on. Make sure you add the Flex add. Drop it! Drop it! I'm locking some gains in. I would love to do half a smash, but oh man, if I would have went full port, I would have had it, but I'm scared with gold. Gold scares me sometimes. I'll lock that in. How would I have gotten it? No. Oh, you see, this is what I'm talking about. You see that? You see that, guys? What I get, 450? That's not bad. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I'll be pissed if this goes back down, which it probably does. Whoever said I needed. You had me looking behind. Oh, shit. Crank. Crazy fucking price action today. Just crazy move. I think a lot of it has to see, look, it's going down more. You fuck. I'm so mad I could just scream. Whatever. We'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens here. Wow, the NQ went all the way up this far, which is what? Oh, 707. 707. We rejected on the 707. Rebby. Trump's talking right now. The algos love fucking around with the market when he starts talking. Damn, what a drop. 758. It's just going to be a pullback for the next fucking move up. We just dropped, what, 25 points? See, that would have been enough. If I went full port, what was this trade? 92. No, 207. Yeah, if I went full port on this short, I would have gotten enough. But whatever. It doesn't matter. We're just working the accounts. I got these two new 25Ks on rebill. By the way, take profit trade is still 40% off and no activation fee. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. Trade, did I get my trade day money yet? Let me take a little peek. Let me take a little peek-see. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, we're in algo candle time. Is that why that we dropped here? That was on an algo drop. That was the 50-minute candle. We dropped how many points? 55, 58 to 30. 28-point drop on the algo candle. And then if I draw a happy Fibonacci, which is interesting, if I draw it from this high to this low right here, on that last bounce, we bounced off the 707. But I think maybe we need to go down here. We'll see. We will see. By the way, if you're not hanging out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, that's free for now. Eric J was great. It was great. Thanks for asking, man. Here's the Discord link if you want to join the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. So many different so many different people with so many different ways of trading, and so many people are winning. It's free for now. There's the link. You're invited. So much winning goes on in there. So much winning. So many different perspectives, and so many people share what they see. Especially, you know, so many good traders freely and openly share what they see when they're trading. Look at that drop. I should have re-entered. Bah! Come down here and bill me. What was my take profit? It was probably around here. LeBron's. Chilling, man. Chilling. Didn't do much trading, but what I have traded so far, I'm green in. I'm green everywhere I traded. Rebby. So much winning in the Discord. It's insane. It's insane how much winning goes on in that fucking Discord. Oh my God. Look at that. What's the NQ doing? All the way back up. Look at that 54-minute candle. All the way back up. Like it. Just buy the dip, guys. That was a 707 bounce, by the way, from where the original spot I drew the fib. We bounced 30 points. This is going to fill me here. Can you feel me? I'm scared. What a drop. Yo, you know what's fucked up? If I would have just held the short, I would have had my $1,500 day, I think. No, I needed 57. 56 is what I needed. It's going to hit it. 56 is going to happen. Watch 56 happen. I just have a feeling in my loins. Digital nukes. I don't know. Did they give you the end of day trailing accounts, or they gave you the intraday? Uh-oh. Get the fuck up there. Look at that. I would have, if I would have just held that short, I'd have my 1,500 already. I would have had it. Damn. A happy little bounce, though. I'll take it. Does it have more in the tank? $12. Oh, I just need like this much. Am I going to get it? 75. Oh, I'm going to get taken out. Keep pushing, you fuck. No. Granny, no. Oh. Oh, of course. It took one out at a time, and then it fucking bounces. You fuck. Why am I trailing a fucking half a smash account? What the fuck am I doing? What's NQ doing? Oh! Damn. Oh, look, it bounced off the 707. How many points is that? 60? 47 points. Nice little droppy McDropperson there. I'm so pissed. Come back and retest somewhere down here. Damn. Maybe I should just leave these. Maybe I should just leave these alone for the rest of the day. That's what I'm going to do. You know what? Because, if I would have held, you know what happens when you don't fucking do what you should have done? Eventually karma comes and catches up to you. I should have held that original short. I should have went full port. Instead, I wouldn't have need to held it that long. And I should have held this. See what's happening now? If I try to fucking trade this in these accounts, no matter what I do, I'm going to get fucked. So I'm just leaving this. I'm only on day 2 with these accounts anyway. Whatever. We're good. Okay? But look, I would have had enough. I would have been enough. 69, 870. 1,500 minus 870. It's only fucking 22 ticks. Right? It went up how many more ticks from there? 24. It would have been exact. 23. Look, it's still going. Motherfucker. All right, let's move on to these accounts. calling this, I'm going to call this group the Fibster bait groups. We're just Fibster baiting over here. You know? You guys know about Fibster baiting? Kevin Tobias. Trump's talking right now. What else is new? Oh, Kevin Tobias. What prop firm, bro? It sounds like you basically did what I did on Friday. What a fucking move. Fuck. This shit would be done. Done. All right, let's move on to these accounts. Whatever. Ooh, 786. Trump's talking now, though. I don't know. Might have to expand this fib. Might have to expand the fib. To another low, like here. Like that. Wait, what the fuck? Maybe it holds, but I don't know. We're expanding. Volks, what up? I have the best. Yo, thanks for using it. It's the best fucking code. Great job, Manuel. Great job. Chris Daly. Trump's talking shit. What else is new? This was a 786 originally. Let's see if it holds. I'm so fucking annoyed about this, though. Watch this. Is that a 786 rejection? Yep. 786. The fibs be fibbing. All fucking day you're going to get opportunities with the Fibonacci's, man. Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, Manuel, for using the best code ever. Oh, it's holding for now. Nice little. Wow, I was 50. Oh, fuck, man. That would have been enough. That sucks. That would have been enough to get play half a smash on these 25Ks. The Fibonacci's, that's right. Oh, I got the wrong group. I got to get the Fibster bait group activated. Look at that bounce off this. Look. Look, it bounced off the 5-minute 21, but with the 786 was right above it. She had some confluence there. How do I use the fib? I just look. Well, on TradingView, it's the opposite of TradingView. But I draw it from a high to a low, depending on which way I want to. I'm looking for a bounce. I draw it to show the golden shower pocket on the bottom of it. If I want a rejection, I draw it so that it shows the golden shower pocket on the top of it. And then I wait. That's the simplistic way, a Tolman. Like on TradingView, it's like this. On TradingView, so let me just zoom in. I see this one right here. On TradingView, it works the same way on TradingView as it does on TradingView and Project SlipX. You could draw it the same way. If you want to bounce, if you want to draw it for a bounce, you go from the low to the high, like that, or well, whatever, from the low to the high, and then you look for an opportunity. You wait for it to come back, and then you see you put your order accordingly. You place your order accordingly. And if you want it from a high to a low, then that's for a bounce. If you want to do it for a rejection, you draw it from the top to the bottom, from the high to a low, like this. And then in TradingView, In trading view, it's backwards. If you want to draw for a rejection, you got to draw from the low to the high. So like here, low, high. We already rejected off the 786 here. And then for a bounce, you do the high to the low. On TradeDay, it's opposite. You go high to the low. Well, this was the low, or this was the low, right? High to the low. 786 bounce. Shit happens all day. All day. All day, every day. Look at that bounce. Fuck. 28 points. You won't always get the monster move, right? But you'll get scalping opportunities a lot, very often. Yeah, that sounds too confusing for me, bro. I'm not gonna do that. I need to see the golden shower pocket, Spy. I need to see the golden shower pocket for me. I'll draw this shit all day. I mean, it might make it easier for you. For me, it doesn't. I need to see the golden shower pocket. Everybody's different. That's the best part about trading. You talk to 50 people that are profitable traders, and they'll tell you 50 different ways they see the charts. Oh, Neil, thank you. It's trade day. But thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hey, great job on your account today. What'd you pull? 20 G's? Did you trade any more after that, or you just said fuck it? 20 plus G's on his fucking live Take Profit Trader accounts. I appreciate it, man. Do I work with Funded Next? I do not. Options Exchange. Yeah, exactly. See what I'm saying, Spy? That's what works for you. That's the best part about all this. Me drawing the shit all over the place like this is what works for me. Damn. I missed it. Yo. 707. Almost. Would I recommend Apex over Top Step? They're two completely different animals. It depends on what your trading goals are. I don't trade with Top Step, so I would say Apex. I don't know what your goals are for trading. If it's just to get payouts, Top Step might be the better option because it is easier to get a payout from Top Step. They're also more expensive. Right now, all-in cost for a Top Step 50K is $198. Right now, all-in cost to get paid, all-in cost for a funded Apex account would be about $96, $102 less. The 25Ks and the 50Ks all in, that means you passing whatever that cost is for that account total after you pass and pay the $40 lifetime activation fee, something they've never done before. The lowest all-in cost I've ever seen is on the 25Ks and 50Ks with Apex. But I don't know. I used to trade with Top Step. I don't trade with them anymore. Depends on your trading style. It depends on a lot of shit. Neil, thank you, man. Neil knows. And Neil's one of the reasons why it's the best fucking Discord on these platform streets. It's the best fucking community. We got fucking awesome people in there and awesome traders. Eagle's Eye. Since 712. Yeah. Nice trade. Great fucking trade. Coach Singh. They finally got back to me. Here it is. We've initiated the payout process. Please do not place any further trades. So there it is. 625. I requested it Friday. I don't think they got the email, so I resent. I forwarded it again to the right email address. I might have sent it to the wrong place, but I don't really know. All I know is they seen it and now they're working on it. So sometime later on today, I might have I'll have that the message from Rise or tomorrow. I don't even know. Right now, the money's in the account still. Let's see. Is the money still in the account? Oh no, they took it. They took it out. I just didn't get the money yet. See that? I was at 45.22. I was at 45.22. I requested 625. So 38.97. So they took the money out of the account. They just I haven't gotten it to my Rise account yet. I'll probably get it later on today or tomorrow morning or some shit. I don't know, whatever. But they did process it. So when the market reopens, I'm not going to touch it today, but when the market reopens, for Tuesday session, I will trade it at some point. I'll be looking to trade it at some point. What's this? What's this? 618. Almost hit the 707. What's this? 786. A little bit higher. But if you go by this high, I mean, that's the thing about the fibs too. You can manipulate it, but I'm just manipulating it to the next high or the next low. It's not really a manipulation, it's an expansion. Fuck. Oh, there she is.
There she is.
Can't wait to celebrate our anniversary later.
Nothing sacred.
What? We're gonna have a nice meal together. Right, Harvey? Ain't that right? What's up, buddy? Where's mommy going? Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up? You coming up here? Come here. Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Up, up, up. You know how to go. Up. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. No? That's not up. That's sitting. That's not up. I didn't do a good job training you, huh? Look at that. The fibs be fibbing all day. Yo, P Shenanigan. Monica. I've been trading. You where were you? Alexander, Leo. Father of Legends, what up? Or is that Theta of Legends? Oh, it's Father of Legends. Yeah. Yup, no act. There's never as far as Lucid goes on the evals, there's never an activation fee. You're all in for whatever it costs you for those evals. Red Rose, thank you. Thank you. Kevin Tobias, yep. I would agree. You know when they fell off? When they stopped inviting me to be on their show. Big mistake. Coral Sky, what's up? Coach Fred. Yeah, hey, yo, been filling the gap since fucking the beginning of 2004. We'll be dating. We started dating right before Thanksgiving of 2023. 2003, sorry. Right before Thanksgiving of 2003, we started dating. Clint Vale. Will I ever go to the BDH? Absolutely not. And he said he would never have me there anyway, so that settles it. I'm not flying fucking anywhere. Unless I absolutely have to. Cody. It's just for the scaling account. I don't know. I don't know. There's probably going to be a buffer, right? Tony, go. No, just Corey. It's just for the scale account right now, which is the middle level. Basically, the old starter plus account. Is it? Am I really not going to be able to fucking trade this shit? I didn't even get to trade my Apex account. Whatever. Intraday drawdown? Are you serious? What up, Full Tilt? C. Charisse, what up? Getting the camera angle set up. Yeah, it's for my other influence. I'm an influencer. What up, free FBT? I just gotta. Am I really not going to be able to trade this account today? I'm really fucking annoyed about that. Oh, 786. I don't know. Fuck it. Fuck it. Wrong account. Did I miss it? Am I going to regret this? Am I going to regret this? Probably. I'm probably going to regret this. Jose Carlos. Thank you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. No FOMO. I don't really have FOMO. I don't know. I like the 786. Why did I only get filled in one, though? That's weird. Can I get a $50 day in? We don't think. All I heard was it's rolling out, and they sent me the banner. And I also heard that they're not like doing any the 5% off with the best code ZERODAYJAY is going away. No more 5% discounts anymore. So I asked them, like, why would anybody want to use my code if there's no discount? Just because they want me to make sure I get credit for the sale because they like me. Still waiting to hear back on that. Cajun. Give me my $50 day. What's NQ doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now I'm in both. And I wish I wasn't. These accounts had all of their drawdown too. Come here. I'll just take this. I don't know. Actually, wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. Give me this. Let me put my stop here. $205 to 73. That's 32 ticks. Mikey. I did not get any 25K Lucid accounts yet. I'm probably going to get two, right? I don't know. $1,000 a drawdown is not a lot for a guy like me. I think they're great accounts if you want to give Lucid a try, right? Great place to start, but I don't know. I don't know how I would do with $1,000 a drawdown. Yeah, see, I fucking had my chance. It's not going to happen. I don't know. Maybe it will. I might grab one though. I might grab one just to fuck around with it. You don't need a lot to pass. That's the thing. You don't need a lot to pass. You only need $1,250 to pass, which is pretty cool. I'm probably going to get one or two. For $60 all in, $60 to make them holla. What are the payout rules on that? TJP, what up? Oh, I appreciate it, Alexander. Thank you, man. I really do appreciate it. It is the best fucking code. It still will have the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. All right, let's see. Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro. Let's see if they added the 25K to this. Minimum profit. Fuck, man. That's pretty. You just need 5 days of $50 or more. How hard can it be? What's the minimum balance? Buffer balance, 1,100. What's the max payout on this? 15, no. 1,000. 1,000. So you need to get to 30, you need to get to 2,100. You need to get to 2,100 in profit to take out 1,000. It's not terrible. 35% consistency rule. So let's say 2,100 times 0.35. Your bet, I mean, if you don't want to have to grow the account further and you're going for max payout land, just don't have a day bigger than $735. What's going on with my Apex trade? Probably going to get stopped out because I'm fucking around at the worst possible time with a funded account. At least I'm not trading the NQ. Oh, that's right. There's no daily loss limit. Where is that? Forgot about that. What would they make the daily loss? Yeah, there's no daily loss limit. I mean, $1,000 a drawdown is like a daily loss limit to me, but it's a good account. It's a good account. What do you guys? Yeah, let me ask you guys. Hey, you guys want to look at my poll? Do you think the Lucid 25K test is a good account? Stock, cars, and bets. What up, man? Yeah, the 25s are good. I like the take profit traders. I'll keep trying with the 25Ks. I just haven't had much success with them. The only payout I've gotten payouts on 150Ks, but most of my I got fucking stopped out. You fucking piece of shit. That's the spot. See what happens. This is what I'm talking about. Why even bother trading? But hey, now I'm committed to losing more money. We all know how this goes. We all know I'm probably going to get stopped out again. When I don't know about you guys, but with me in trading, when I do shit I shouldn't have done, or I don't do something I should have done, this like fucking trading karma kicks in, and no matter what I do, it doesn't matter. I find I'll just keep losing. It's weird. I shouldn't have touched these accounts. This account. I shouldn't have touched this account, and now I'm fucking paying for touching it. Capital gains. Cash O, what up? J Stores. Fuck yeah, Matthew Van Zandt. Just keep taking money. Risky business requesting while you're still waiting to get, trading while you're still waiting to get paid. But hey, man, when you fucking, when you're good, you're good. Volk's part. Isn't that funny how that shit happens, man? I was green everywhere until I traded this account. I was green in all of these. I was green in these. And that's really all I traded. I didn't touch my funded futures accounts. I can't touch them anymore anyway. Didn't trust my trade day account because I was waiting for them to deduct his money, and I'm not touching this shit. So I got my first ever payout as a live trader. It's en route or en route. It's en route. My first ever payout. Trading for keeps. What up? Casa Lisk. Oh, I've been paying. I've been paying for 23 years. 18 of them as a married man. Still paying. Just ain't right. Wow. I need more coffee. Just chilling, trading for keeps. Just chilling. Just another day in paradise. I need more coffee. Let me know how this fucking trade goes. I'm probably going to get stopped out. I feel it in my loins, and it's just a punishment. It's just my punishment. I'll be right back. Get the fuck down there! Get the fuck down there more! How many more ticks was that down? 4? That would have been another 80 bucks. Does it have more in the tank to go down? Tyson, what up? Oh, they took it from you? Oh, so it's so you technically got paid. They took it, they put it into your wallet. You just gotta wait for Plaid to fucking pay. If it goes into your wallet, once you withdraw from your wallet, you're good. Tyson Prosper, 40% is always on. Ah, you fucking serious? Go lower. I'm going to get fucked here. I feel it fucking coming. Oh, 180. Maybe not. Maybe not. Get me back to break even and I'll be happy. If anything, it'll count as a flip day. Oh, shit. I'm fucking green. I'll take that. It might, you know, it's probably going to, yeah. Give it to me. I'll take that. I bet it comes down to my take profit, but hey, we did it, Joe. We're fucking green. Another day in the books for Apex. Another trading day counted. Green everywhere I traded, motherfucker. That's right. That's fucking right. Green everywhere. Oh, it's still going to go. What was my take profit? 179. Just remember 179. Remember me. That's what 179 is saying right now. Remember me. Big Tick Energy, what up? How long ago was that, bro? I've never had that. I've never experienced that. Vince. DBT, what up? Hell yeah, Crank. Yeah, waiting for Thursday. Did it get deducted? Because Matthew Van Zandt said he got his deducted from Friday, I think. Faisal, what up? What up? Is it the NQ? You think it's going to the V? When? Not today. Maybe when the market reopens. Look, it rejected off the 707. The fibs are fucking amazing. I'm telling you. Well, this went down another whatever. I'm okay with this though because I lost my first trade. So only, you know why? Because I just had the fib in the wrong place. I needed to expand it. Yeah, yeah, bro. I would just chill, man. That's why the way I like with trading, I would wait. This is why I don't keep all my eggs in one prop firm's basket. Because when shit like this happens, you gotta, and you can't trade, you gotta wait. And you want to trade, just trade another account somewhere else. NQ was bipolar as fuck today. What else is new? That's every day, bro. Vinny Lee, yo, we did it, Joe. What up, Vince? Yo, I think Tyson with bulenox, I think their 40% consistency rule carries over. It stays in play. Whatever your best day is, even if it's day one of you trading that account, I think that's always going to be the number that you know what I mean? I don't really know how. You should ask support. You should ask support. They'll be able to help you with that. They'll answer your question. Sent to your wallet and requested. Yeah, so it's pending to your bank account. That's probably going to come tomorrow or later on, like tomorrow morning. What video if you want to learn a lot about the fibs, digital nukes, aside from watching me, because I'm a guru. I'm a guru and an influencer. I'm not. I'm neither of those things. I'm just a regular fucking guy trying to find his way as a trader. Oh, good thing I got out, right? I got out at a good spot. It went down how many more ticks? It went down like another 8 or 9 ticks, but look what it did. It just bounced. It could go lower, but it don't matter. I'm out. This guy. The guy that says, you see, guys? Trading Wars. Trading Wars is really good about the fibs. He's a fucking Fibonacci fucking savant. And they'll tell you see, guys? Here. He'll literally be like, hey, you see, guys? Right here, guys. The 618, guys. If you ever fucking hang out on his streams or anything, he does stream from time to time. I think he streams regularly. He doesn't fuck with prop firms. He trades like mostly options. He does trade futures, but he's mostly an options guy. But you tell him ZERODAYJay. I must have sent a fuck ton of people to this guy's channel. Just tell him ZERODAYJay sent you. I want him to know my fucking name. I actually originally learned about the fibs from fucking Brett, Trade Iffy Brett, long before he even was fucking around with prop firms. And then that's where I learned about the golden shower pocket. And then I further learned, I got further education and a further understanding, a more complete understanding of the fibs from Trading Wars. Slinvale, exactly. Hey, Alfred knows. What's up? What's up, guys? You see, guys? Yeah, he's like, what's up? I'm pretty good talking like him. All right, so we have 60 votes. 60 votes so far on this 25K test. 62% of the people who voted think that the 25K is a good account. Especially with what Alfred brought up. Alfred had said the biggest thing about it is there's no daily loss limit, which is awesome. They'll just let you lose your $1,000 of drawdown. They won't save you. But it's nice to not have to deal with that shit. You see, guys? Corey, yeah. Hey, guys, you see, guys? I don't think I'm going to touch these evals. This shit ain't really moving all that much. Although this did drop. How many points? 25 points. 25 points. You see, guys? Just remember when you're drawing fibs on TradeDay, you have to draw them. You have to start them from the opposite direction that you would on TradingView. You see, guys? You think it needs to be cheaper? That's all in, bro. Bacon. That's all in. Nice job, Matthew Van Zandt. I love it. Funded Next should be available in the USA. You got to go to the Funded Next Futures is available in the USA. Yeah, $60 all in. And if you've never had an account with them, you can save another 5%. So it's like $54 all in or some shit like that. $60 all in to get a max payout of $1,000. It's not bad. Oh, some U.S. cards. Who don't they work with? What up, Mamba Lambo? Sean, what up? Nice. Use the best code. Let me drop my Lucid link in the chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Oh. Here's the best link. Here's the best ever link to Lucid. And the best code is ZERODAYJAY. The best code in the world. Glad I got out of this short, right? Pretty good exit. I missed out on what, 9 or 10 ticks? Whatever. I'm green. Yeah, Corey, that's what it sounds like. When I was reading that before, that's what it sounds like they gave you. The 35, what on, yeah. Funding ticks. Yeah, I haven't fucked with them yet. I don't have anything against them. Yeah, I got you, bro. Digital nukes. What do you, what? What, when I say you see guys? Yeah, that's not a, that's my, if you're talking about my you see guys impression, that's my Trading Wars guy. Maybe Nutty Bar is Trading Wars. I don't think so, though. Because Nutty Bar does not train. It's not him. We all know it's not him. I'm only joking. He doesn't, I don't think he fucks with fibs. I don't think he's a fib guy. I don't know what he looks for when he trades, but I don't think he does fibs. Lucid pays, yeah, Lucid pays like almost instantly. As they say in the prop from streets, fast as fuck, boy. Lucid resets are 50% off. All resets till tomorrow. Damn. I might reset some 50Ks. I had a couple of blown 50Ks. Maybe I'll request, because look, I got almost max allocation, right? I have, you see, guys, I have 3. The most amount of funded accounts you could have is 5. So maybe I'll reset a 50K because they're 50% off resets right now. Let me log into my account and check. Let me see what we got going on here. And then I'll grab a 25K. I want to see if I could even pass one of those 25Ks. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, guys? This shit is not moving anymore. I'm just happy I gave myself some breathing room. I did this for the stream, another almost $300 in each account. I did this for the stream. Hope nobody fucking faded me today. Where's that jerk off who's always like, oh, thanks, Jay, I faded you. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. Never around when I fucking win a trade, though. Been winning a lot lately during Power Hour. All of a sudden, don't hear a fucking word. I'm leaving soon. I love you too. Where are you going?
Aurora's, her mom's.
Which one is that?
The
one I picked you up the other night?
You picked me up for that.
Where's her mom live?
I don't know. I have her address. Do you want it?
No, mommy will tell me.
I sent it to mommy. I'm going to her mom's.
Okay.
I'm not gonna drop her address while you're on stream.
Yeah, I don't want it. Yeah. Mommy will tell me later. I love you. Bye. Have fun. Let's see here. I'm checking how much fucking Lucid 50K reset is. What do you want, bro? What do you want? Let's see. I'm looking on my other computer. I mean, my other screen of my setup. I got the best setup. Let's see. Account dashboard. Let's see. Here we go. What number? We got 7. We got 10 and 11. Reset. It's only letting me reset for 20% off. $72. Maybe it depends on the account. I'm not going to pay. I could get, it's pretty much like the same price of what I paid for it. If we were talking about Lucid. On a 50K reset right now is 20% off. I could get them for 72, unless that other deal isn't in play yet. I can never keep up with their deals because they don't send an email out to me. I don't get an email as an affiliate. I don't see shit. I find out when people tell me, or I'm fucking on their website. I need to here's what I need to do. I need to trade these two accounts. Well, I don't need to, but I want to. We're running out of time. I should probably just get a quick flip in. A quick flip. Funny, right? Give me my flip. Can you feel me? Give me my flip on my brand new accounts. I just want to get a day in. Since gold wants to fucking rip. Here's the high a day. Am I really not going to get fucking filled? Wait, where? What happened? Wait, what the fuck? Am I doing this in the wrong account? Uh-oh. No, I was in the right account. I'm confused. Oh, there it is. Oh, good thing I didn't get filled. It kind of bounced. That was confusing. I went in the gold micros. Ugh. Damn it. Can you feel me? There we go. Give me my fucking $2. Give me my flip day. Give me I want my $2. I want my $2. I'm working backwards on these accounts because I just don't think I could get 12 points on anything at this time of day. Even if I could, it'd be fucking, very risky to fuck around. Oh, hit it. Hit it. Yeah, motherfucker. I got $2.50 actually. I just wanted $2. I got $2.50. Oh, I'm the fucking best trader on YouTube, bro. The best. Better than everybody else, especially at prop firm trading. The best. You can't see me. Don't fade me. Don't fade me. You see that, guys? You see, guys? You see, guys? Don't fade me. Unfadeable. So please don't try to fade this. Robin. Oh, my God. Ah, bro. $44 the X Punisher. What up? They said they're going to reschedule the 50% promo? All right, I'll wait for that. Oh, because of Project SlipX. Yo, Project SlipX is fucking costing them money because of how often it fucking fucks up. What a piece of shit Project SlipX is. Let me ask ChatGPT. I mean, it's just not a good time to be trading this shit. Obviously, there's 11 minutes left before the market closes. If you're in any trade day accounts right now, I would close out your trades ASAP. Can you feel me? By the way, if you're not hanging out in the best community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free for now. What are you doing, Pen? What are you doing? You want to get out? Why are you so annoying sometimes? Oh. I'm doing my schoolwork. I know. You're in charge. He's outside. All right. Oh, look at that drop. That's a happy little drop. He had a rough day trading gold today, I heard. What up, Adam? Heard he had a rough day. I just, I don't like what he's, what bothers me? It's like all the shit he talks about simfluencers. Like only since he became a live trader, he was talking all the shit about other people who have audiences that only trade sim funded. But they're getting fucking paid. Who gives a fuck? Who fucking cares? Like, why do you have to talk shit about it? Because the guy who pays your fucking salary tells you to? Shit bothers me. Simfluencer. That's why I've been calling myself Simfluencer Coach ZERODAYJAY. But now I'm a live trader, so I'm no longer just a Simfluencer. I don't even like calling myself that at all, but it's just funny. It's like, bro, just fucking trade. Lead by example. Trading for keeps. You see, guys, it's all about payouts. Nothing else fucking matters. Who cares if I'm not just a sim trader anymore because I got this live trade day account. I just got paid for the first time. I just got my first ever payout as a live trader. Who gives a fuck? I'd rather not be a live trader. I'd rather have 3 funded trade day accounts like I did before I got pushed to live. That was better. Being able to get payouts on 3 accounts versus just 1 is a lot better. I just don't understand. They only do that because they want to fucking, it's just propaganda. It's propaganda and positioning. Universe hates me. What up? What up, Jay? Oh, you were here before. You've been hanging out. That shit it's just fucking annoying. I don't know. Carlos, yeah, that's the other thing. You did that today, didn't you, Carlos? Carlos passed the 25K Lucid, so now he has that's the other thing that's really cool about Lucid. Once you pass, which is 1 day to pass with them, 1 day to pass with Lucid, 10 minutes after you pass that shit, you could activate it to a funded account, and it's free. Yeah, exactly, Rick. Top Step wouldn't be where they are without all of the affiliates that built that fucking prop firm. Let's just call it what it is. And then they fucking say, go fuck yourself to all of their affiliates. Sadly, I never got to be an affiliate. I missed out. You see, guys? I did like being a guest on there, but my style of trading was not acceptable to Paytac, I guess, and never got invited back after they had me on there almost every fucking week for like 3 months. All of a sudden, it was a fucking problem. All right, be good, Alfred. I'm going later too. Thanks for hanging out, man. As always. Dream Chaser. Yeah, they did. They pushed me live after the first, like I fucking went on a tear. I went on a tear. They order like once you do 5,000 in profit, they automatically evaluate you for live. But most of the time, a lot of people that I know that reach that level, they told them to keep trading. After, you know, they said keep trading and wait for the next milestone. They pushed me live right away. I was trading that good and consistent. Nah, digital nukes, Top Step ain't going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. They are massive. Simple, yeah. Yeah. Yash, maybe Yash. I would like to. I just don't know. It depends on what's going on. I'm definitely going to the gym. I'm going to the gym, and then whatever happens after that, I would like to stream though. I would like to stream during Asia. For those of you that are like here for the first time, or it's only like your second or third time here, I stream every day for Power Hour, but then I'll randomly hop on streams like whenever. Like I streamed yesterday when the market reopened, but I tried to take a trade, but I couldn't get filled. And then I had to leave. So I hung out for a little bit, and then I'll trade during Asia. Sometimes I'll trade during London. Or I'll trade earlier in the day during like the early New York session. But I'm on often. And as you can see, if you're new, you can tell it's super chill. The vibe is super chill in the chat. Everybody's super cool. The chat is awesome. Right, chat? Thanks, chat. Benny. Yeah, their platform is fucking shit. Imagine, like, why wouldn't they give you the option to trade on tradeday? Tradeday was so much better. Yeah, gold fucking pumped. What, just now? Oh, shit. Glad I didn't have any orders. Oh, equal high right there. Equal high. It's only 13 ticks from where we're at. Like, I don't know. We'll see. Whoops. Let me just get rid of all of these. Fucking gold. The range is fucking 1,200 ticks today. If you got in gold at the very bottom and just rode it all the way to this high, you would have made $12,000 with one mini. Yeah, Rick, you know, I felt like I was a nice pattern interrupt from what they usually have on their fucking show. And I enjoyed it. I liked hanging out with them. They were cool. They're still cool. I liked all the guys I hung out with. I don't have any issue with anybody that I interacted with. Just weird that as much as I was winning and as much as I won too on those streams, I think too many people were fucking crying in the chat about me though. Oh, that's gambling. That's gambling. He didn't even tell us why he went in there at that spot. Why did he didn't even say anything? It's gambling. Capital gains, I bet, bro. That shit pumped. I was hanging out with my wife. F4, not much other than me just winning almost every fucking trade I took. I only lost one trade and I got back what I lost and then finished it green anyway. That's all. You know, Warren Buffett sent me a text and said, I wouldn't expect anything less from you, Jay. I'm like, I know Warren. Thanks, bro. Warren G. Buffett. The market is closed. Well, you got a minute. Get the fuck. Hey, if you're in a take profit trader trade right now, get the fuck out. Yeah, they still bring people on. I just don't, you know, they still bring people on all the time. I just don't know, you know. It's just weird how they had me on all the time for 3 months. Once a week, they couldn't wait to have me back on. And then all of a sudden, then like the last few times it was me and Cove together, which was awesome. Those guest appearances were great. The last one was great too, but Paytac came on to babysit and I guess he didn't like our approach. And neither one of us ever got invited back. You're on jury duty? Ew. Be good, just ain't right. Maximus. Yeah, I liked going on there. It was cool. I wasn't even getting paid to be on there. I wasn't getting any free accounts or anything. I just liked being on there. I was spreading the gospel of degen. I was spreading the gospel of ZFG concepts. Trading for keeps. I hope so. I hope it goes back. I hope it hits 5,000. What does this guy want? Probably hungry. Define ZFG. Zero fucks given. That's what that means. ZFG concepts. What did the NQ to close out? NQ just kind of went sideways for the last 5 or 6 minutes. Yeah, that's one thing I will never. And you know what was funny is like on that stream, that last appearance, he was like talking, oh, we'll have you guys come to the headquarters and all this shit. It went from we'll have you guys come to HQ, you guys get the invite, to never being invited back on the fucking show. Okay, cool. I wasn't gonna go anyway, but that's besides the point. Weird fucking 180. Benny, yeah, I get it, bro. I don't blame you, man. I pop on from time to time. Now they hide their balances. All the coaches hide their balances on their XFAs. Talk about the fucking the poster child for transparency. Way to hide your balances. I want gold back to fucking 5,000 trading for keeps. Well, it never hit 5,000. I want gold to hit 5,000 before the end of the year. That would be some shit. Yeah. And I have nothing against Dakota, but he does come across exactly how you describe him, Rick G. What does this guy want? This old man wants to hang out in here. I don't know why. Because my wife is here? What's up? What's up? I'm saying what's up to him like he can hear me. He's deaf. Can't even hear anything. I don't know what he wants. Anyway. But all in all, I mean, Dakota's a good trader. He's gotten a bunch of payouts. He just talks a lot of shit about what he used to be. It's just weird. That's just weird. It's like, I don't know. I don't like that shit. That type of shit I don't like. Let's see where gold's going. If I were to draw a happy Fibonacci from this last low here on that dump, when we hit 4,400 or just miss hitting 4,400, and I draw a happy Fibonacci for a reversal, I mean, we could get to at least 42, not, like 4,292, around 4,300 minimum or maximum before we pull back again. But maybe we get to 4,200. 4,200 is the 618, 4,208. 4,253 is the 707. 4,292 is the 786 from the all-time high. Now, if I was to fucking look at this, from this low here to this high, we literally bounced right off the 786. From the high, all-time high, from this low, this last low here of 3750 or whatever, to this all-time high, we literally bounced right off the 786. Isn't that crazy? $230, 2,300 ticks. It's crazy. Yeah, that's right, coach. My bad. My bad. 1-800 Maestro. My bad, bro. My bad. My B. My B. It really, end of day versus intraday, it really depends on your trading style. The thing about intraday is, J Nibs, the thing about intraday is it's working against you from your peak balance. It's always working against you from whatever your highest balance is. So it really depends on what kind of size you trade with. If you trade with size, you might be better off with end of day. Intraday is always working against you from the highest point. So it really depends on your trading style. I'm used to trading with intraday because when I first started trading with prop firms, I traded with Apex, and Apex is intraday until you get over the buffer. Then they go static. Take profit trader funded accounts are intraday. Trade day gives you the option of intraday, end of day, or static. I traded with the intradays because they're only $69.30 at 30% off with no activation fee using the best code ZERODAYJAY. They were $59 at one point when they were 40% off. But $69 all in, $69 to get paid every day potentially and paid on day one. It really just depends on your trading style. If you're trading small, you should be okay with intraday because a lot of times the intraday accounts are cheaper than end of day accounts. It really depends on, you got to take all the other rules into consideration with the prop firm also. There's nothing, I mean, end of day is better. And it's, it's more forgiving. Let me say that. It's more forgiving than intraday. It really just a matter of preference. I say do both. Trade with both. Get good at trading both so you could fucking trade with whatever prop firm you want. Stevie J, what up? My PH trades? What does that even mean? Oh, power hour. Duh. They were good. I only lost one trade and I got it all back. I got stopped out of a gold short and then I went back in short and then I got all of whatever I lost back, which was like 200 and how much did I lose? 220 bucks or some shit like that, 225. And I got it all back and I finished green in this Apex account. I got 870 on these three. If I would have just held, my fucking take profit got hit. I would have got the second half of half a smash. I got $2.50 on these, bruh, because I'm the fucking best. I realized that I probably wasn't going to be able to get much towards the end of the day, so I just tried to get a flip day in. So I'm doing this. I'm trading these 25Ks in reverse. And then I also won a trade with these two Lucids. I don't even know. What did I get? A couple $100, almost $300 on those right here. 280 on both of these. So I won 4 out of 5 trades. But everything I traded, I finished green. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, it was a rough little stretch I was on. It was a rough little stretch for sure. You could say that again. Now I'm just waiting for that money to hit my rise, which probably won't happen until tomorrow morning. But trade day did take the money out of my account. So I could trade these now. I was at 4,522 before I requested 625. So I'm gonna end up with 500 on that because of the 20% that they take, which is fine. Pay the man. That's all I care about. Give me that money. So that puts me at 3,500 for the month. I'm just waiting for bulenox. to pay me, which they'll take the money out tomorrow night. Do I have any rebills that came through? I don't even know. No. These are all 91% off rebills. I haven't spent any money in bulk. Maybe I had a couple of rebills that I blew. I barely spent any money on bulenox since I got these two funded accounts. That's the name of the game. Just getting payouts multiple times from the same accounts really helps you fucking keep your costs down on prop firm accounts. What is this? My dog is barking at my son. He just rolled in. I think he's just saying hello. But look at the balance on these fucking accounts. This shit is looking so good. They're going to take $1,500 out. I'm still going to have $4,500, $4,641 I'm going to have after they take my payout out. How hard can it be to get another payout? Uh-oh. Did I just fuck that up? What did I just do? Ew, what'd I do? Oh, shit. How do I undo that? I just fucked up my whole layout. Fuck me. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Granny. There we go. I fixed it. We're good. Crisis averted. I might have a saved layout anyway that I could have gone back to. All right, cool. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to make my update videos. And do a bunch of other shit. So, control. Would that work? Control Z, undoing it? I don't know. Trader Dub, what up? Hit the circle in the top right. Let's see what that is. Oh, what? The reset layout? Ah, it might reset to my, let me save this layout. Save layout. Yeah, cool. Well, I saved that, so then I could do that. Thanks, guys. Bobby Diggs. Caleb. I feel the same way on Fridays. Hey, man, maybe that tells you, like, tread lightly on days that you have trouble, you know? Blake's Restoration, what up? Thank you, guys. Yeah, I'm going to bounce. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Join the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Here's the link again to the Discord. It's free for now. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be on tomorrow. Maybe I'll be on later on tonight, but I'll definitely be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.